Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. I know it's been a while that I haven't really shared anything. I've been busy. I got a new job and I'm loving it, but it takes most of my energy. So when I get home, I'm kind of like too lazy to update, even though I have a lot of vlogs that I need to edit and then share them to you. Anyways, for today's recipe, this is from Indonesia. It's called Sop Ayam. It is chicken soup, but it's with macaroni and whatnot. And Indonesian chicken soup is pretty different from the one that you can find in Canada or in Hungary. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. First, we're gonna boil the chicken bones, make the paste out of the ingredients, and then once it start to simmer, add in the macaroni, and we're gonna boil it for a bit until half softened, and then add in your chopped off veggies, and then followed with sliced green onions once it's boiling fully, and then add in your paste and slice meatballs. It can be homemade or store-bought. So basically just add in everything into the pot and keep boiling until macaroni and veggies are tender, while adding seasoning like mushroom granules, MSG if you are using, ground white pepper if you are using, and your soup is ready to be served with warm rice.